Hey brewers, today we're going to take a look at how to clean your Brewzilla Gen 4 system, or really any all-in-one brewing system, whether it's a Grainfather or the previous version. It's all going to be pretty similar. First thing I do, we're done brewing, we have our wort and our fermenter. I'll take the false bottom out, give that a spray with the garden hose, little wipe, put that aside. Usually by that point my grain basket would have already been cleaned, but that'll just spray down. You know, just take a soft sponge or something and get all the grains that might be caked on there. Next, I'll just give this unit a rinse. And on the Gen 4, because the spigot is underneath the bottom of the boiler, we can just go to a drain, or I'm just using a pail here. I'll spray down the sides and the bottom. Grab a sponge. Just get some water on there. Then I'll just quickly clean the sides. This unit was put away pretty clean, so yours would probably be a lot dirtier if you just finished brewing with it. Give it another quick rinse. If you want to get this to drain faster, close the recirculation ball valve and just hit the pump. And it'll suck everything out of there real quick. It's probably already pretty much done, yeah. Next, we're gonna close the ball valve. I'm gonna add, give or take, 4 US gallons, or I think that's around 15 liters of water. My cleaner of choice for stainless steel, whether it's this unit or you know, a conical fermenter or something, is powdered brewery wash, most commonly referred to as PBW. And I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon per gallon. So I have 4 gallons in here. I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons. I'm gonna give that a good stir. Get that all dissolved in there. Okay, looks good. I'll grab a rubber glove and I'm gonna take my sponge again, get it full of that PBW solution. Wipe it on all the sides. I will then add in the false bottom and the grain basket. To clean the chiller, you would have to add quite a bit more water to this, which is totally fine, but you'd probably have to add about 8 gallons of water. It's a lot of PBW, so instead I would just soak this separately in just a smaller pail filled with the same PBW solution. If you use the top filter plate for the grain basket, you'd add it in there now. Might as well get that clean too. I personally don't use that thing. To get the pump clean, we'll just let this recirculate. Your ball valve's open. And then that'll recirculate the PBW solution through the pump. I'll spray it over the sides of the grain basket as well. And we'll just let that run for about half an hour. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes, so we're gonna turn off the pump. Then I'm gonna close the ball valve for the recirculation arm, open the ball valve for the drain, and then I'll start the pump until all of that PBW is out of here. You don't have to start the pump, it's actually flowing pretty good. But if I do turn it on, gonna empty this even faster to save us a little bit of time. So now that all that PBW solution has drained out of the Brewzilla, I'm gonna give it another rinse and just leave that ball valve open so the rinse water can go right through. Remove the grain basket. Then I'll spray down the sides of the Brewzilla again. And right now there's about 2 gallons, or I think it's around 8 liters of clean rinse water. Just gonna get that through the recirculation arm as well. And to do that, I'm gonna have to turn it on and close this. This will just rinse any PBW solution that might still be in the recirculation arm out. All right, that should do it. I'll take out the false bottom, put that with the malt pipe. Take off the recirculation arm. Now pretty much all of the water should be drained. Close that ball valve, make sure this one's open, and I'll just invert it like this and just let it drip dry. That's pretty much it. That's all there is to cleaning, the Brewzilla or Grainfather, whatever else it is that you may have. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments down below. If you like this video, please give us a like and a subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks a lot. Cheers.